Welcome back, another Quarkus demo. Today I'm going to showcase how to make a Quarkus serverless function from Devfile to deploy OpenShift container platform. My name is Daniel. Let's get right into the demo, how to do that. Okay, here's my OpenShift cluster. This is a race 148. We released just a couple weeks ago. And then as you see, this Quarkus-demo project and namespace, there's no resource found here. So let's try to add a new project. This is a new feature, brand new feature, really awesome for developer to make a new application easily. When you search Quarkus, you got a lot of the Quarkus template, and then now I'm gonna just create a new application from Devfile. Let's try to change my own repo here. And then this is just getting started in like a hello world sample application, but I just print the one Devfile in my repo. So once you create a Devfile on your Git repository as a root directory, you can just import that project directly to OpenShift as a developer console. And then you can add the Git option, specific advanced Git option. And then I just leave it by default and try to change my application name as an example, my app. So as you can see, the build running, and click on that icon, you can find the build logs here. And first of all, we're gonna cloning my Git repository, and then try to pull the base images. So where this definition or specification come from. So when you go back to my Git repository, and then you can actually find Docker file under source and main and Docker directory. As an example here is one of the Docker file. You can find base image, and then what kind of command you need to run, like a Maven package, and also packaging container, and then copy, something like that. So it takes a few minutes. I'm going to try to make it fast, this video. Just try to skip the boring step. So once you successfully your build application, Quarkus application, it will push that image into internal container registry. Now the build is just complete, and then let's try to take a look at that. What is the next step is. So the Quarkus is just running. As you see, this Quarkus example is a race version in 2.1.2 final. We just released this one, and it just started in 4.7 seconds. All right, so let's go back to topology view to access the endpoint of this application. This is a landing page. You can find the REST easy endpoint here, and as you see, just hello REST easy. As I already said, just hello world, a simple RESTful API application. So next step, we're gonna make this application, normal application, to serverless. So in order to, we just using developer console new feature like a make a serverless, and the runtime icon. This is one of our awesome feature. You can specify the icon like a Quarkus, and then we separate this application as different individual application, and the application name, let's say my function. So, and then application name and my service K-name, service name is the same my function, and it will just bring this application to serverless in a second. So as you see, it's already 100% revision created, and then just fit in the screen. I just click on that. Now you can see the serverless application here. But same application, one is serverless, the other one is a traditional normal pod. And when you click on the endpoint, you can find the same endpoint and the hello REST easy as the same output. So really easy. Now let's try to wait for next 30 seconds. It will be scaled down to 0, just like a serverless behavior. And then when we try to hit the last endpoint once again, the application, serverless application, will go up immediately. And then click on the logs, you can find the same application, same version, 2.2 final, and then it takes 4.8 seconds to start up. So this is one of the easy way with the OpenShift 4.8 developer console, how to deploy your Quarkus application using Devfile, which allows developer to bring your existing Git repository. And then once you deploy this application, sometimes you need to make that existing normal traditional microservice Quarkus application to serverless. Just click on make serverless on developer console in OpenShift. It takes just a few seconds to make it happen. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of the day.